How to turn off professional account on Instagram. This video will guide you on how to turn off professional account back to your personal account. So go to your phone, tap on the Instagram app, tap on your profile icon, tap on the three lines at the top right hand corner. Scroll downwards. You're going to see for professionals, okay? You can only see this if you are on professional mode. So you will see creator tools and controls. Now, why would you want to move from professional account to personal account? Is because perhaps you turned on professional account and you're not fully making use of it. You just want to move back to your personal account. So for professionals, you'll see creator tools and controls. Tap on it. Now scroll down, you'll see switch account type. Tap on it. There you will see switch to business account, and then you will see switch to personal account. So let's choose personal account. I tap on that. So here is telling you that when you switch to a personal account, you will lose access to in-app insights and insights from all your content. If that's what you want, you can go ahead to do that. If you want to go ahead to do that, you just tap on switch to personal account. And that's it. If this video helped you, please click the like button, share the video, subscribe if you haven't already done so for more tech tips like this. I'll see you in my next video.